Page 10, Mystery Man. Here we get to use both notes, the C and the B we've been using. Remember the B, it's above a group of 3, and the one we're going to use is the one right under middle C, these. So these 2 notes, middle C and B. So I'll just go through the process for learning a piece of music. Let's see what we get. Because I trust that process to take me where I need to go here. I look it over, it's 1 line long, bass clef, 2/4 time signature again, so we're only counting to 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. I see half notes and quarter notes. And they put the thumb on C, middle C, that puts the hand here. You don't really even need second finger on the B, the number, because if you put thumb on C, the second finger's there. You don't need to be told it. I'm trying to get you not to rely on finger numbers too much. You use them at the beginning to tell you where the hand is, and that's it. You need to remember which note, which key each finger is on, and that's what we need to develop. So you can remember your thumb is on C, I hope, and then you remember your index fingers is on the B then. And those are the 2 we're going to use here. Because in theory, you could use any 2 fingers to play this. I could go here, or here, or here, just for practice. But we'll stick with the book for right now. They want you in this position for a while, and I'll explain why later, but right now we'll just stay here. And then I go through and I play the notes and count them out if I can. You see, I say if I can, because if it's tricky, if the notes are tricky, I'll forget the rhythm and I'll just play the notes. With no rhythm at all, I'll just play the note, trying to get the notes. And then once I have an idea what the notes are, then I can go back and add the rhythm. But if it's not too tricky, I'll do the rhythm and the notes at the same time. So we're here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Something like that, I suppose. Not a lot going on here, but you got these 2 notes down. It's just, let's be as accurate as we can. Remember the natural accent. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Here. 1, 2, 1, 2. I played that way too fast, but you get the idea with the natural accents. Feel them. Let them just happen in everything you play. Let's play this together slowly and check and make sure you have the right notes and rhythms. I'll give us 2 counts. Ready, go. That's 2. You should be playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I play it. Ready, go. 2, 1, 2. 2, 1, 2, 2, off.